Have you realized that Facebook started paying most African countries? Most African countries are eligible for Facebook monetization. Facebook used to have different type of monetization: in-stream ads, reels, bonus program, and stars and subscriptions. And now all the monetization tools have been merged into one, which is called Facebook content monetization. And for you to achieve, or for you to be invited to this Facebook content monetization, it doesn't have any criteria that you're supposed to follow or to achieve like the other day, like back before, whereby you are supposed to have 5,000 followers, you are supposed to attain 60,000 watch hours, and also you are needed to have at least 5 or 10,000, depending on monetization tool that you are supposed to be invited, or you target you as an individual. It is in beta stage, which means that they are rolling out, which means that they are trying out that tool, whereby they have combined all the tools back then to one. So for you to acquire this Facebook content monetization, you need only one requirement. Hello, my name is Milento. Welcome to this YouTube channel. If you find content like this one very useful to you, don't forget to hit the subscription button right below this video. In this channel, I'll be talking to you how you are going to monetize your social media platform, TikTok, how you'll be monetize your Facebook profile. Yes, of course, here in Africa, now that you are being monetized, you can also use your Facebook profile. And I'm going to show you how you will get followers massively in your Facebook profile. I just said specifically Facebook profile because I know how to do with it, so that you can even get 5,000 followers within a day. It sounds very weird, but I can tell you, I have two Facebook profile. One I have with 6.4 followers, another one I have with 5.1, I think 5.1k followers. And I just used a trick, this trick that I will show you how to garner those followers. I also have a Facebook page. My Facebook page is Monetize, and I'm very proud of it. My Facebook page, it is organic. I organically got those Facebook followers completely. So just stay with me. If you love content like these ones, don't forget to be part of this family. And also I will also be dealing with YouTube monetization tutorial and all that. Yeah, all those social media platform, TikTok, there is a video I will post on top here that it will show how to open an international TikTok account. I have an international TikTok account, and I'm telling you that TikTok account I opened 3 weeks ago, and it is really doing well. And in that international TikTok account, you can't even find like these Africans countries that are not monetized. Most the for you content you'll be brought are those people who are also using those international TikTok account. I'm telling you. So stay with me and don't forget to watch that video on how to open an international TikTok account. Don't use your African TikTok account that you will not even gain value from it. In this current world, we need to find value for what we are doing. So if you love content like this ones, don't forget to subscribe and give thumbs up. Okay, in this video I was talking about Facebook monetization. At the moment, you don't need any criteria. Facebook is monetizing its people or its content creators through only one tool, Facebook content monetization. It doesn't have any criteria. As long as you have 1,000 followers, my friend, and you are actively in your Facebook, or your Facebook profile, or your Facebook page is actively involved, the engagement is just good. Of course, when you start with the 1,000 followers, you don't expect to have massively engagement, but at least your content is being seen out there. You'll be invited to sign up for Facebook content monetization. The only thing that you need to keep in mind is that you need to add the community guideline in Facebook. That is all. Make sure that you don't comment those nasty comments to other creators' page. and make sure the videos that you give out there, they're originally yours. And if at all you want to react to any video, it's okay, but know how to react to those videos so that entirely that video it's different to the owner of the video. They're supposed to be completely different. You need to add value to that video. Another thing that you are supposed to do, make sure that they don't flag most of your content or any of your content. I'm telling you, if your content is flagged by Facebook due to community violence, my dear, your Facebook page will go for 1 year, or that profile for 1 year, when you can't even earn anything, and the distribution of your page will also reduce. So just make sure that you don't go against their community guide. Another thing, if you want to be monetizing, there is a tool called partnership. That tool is also nice if you know how to use it. And I'm telling you, I bet you need to know how to use it because it is a game changer. I'm telling you, back then in Africa, most content creators were not being paid, or our Facebook pages and profile were not eligible to for monetization. But most creators were earning big only through brands. So this partnership as a tool, it is only meant for brands. So you as a content creator, you partner with certain type of brand. For instance, if you want to partner with Unilever, it's a big company, it's worldwide. If you want to partner with Unilever, you take one of their product or any several of their products. You know, they have different type of product. You entirely showcase in your video or in your content their product when you do your content, then you tag that brand. When you tag that brand, when they see and they get impressed with your content and they know that this content can go far, the editing, the styling, the video, the everything about that content is just wow. Even though you don't even have an engagement in that page of viewers or profile, they will take that photo or they will take that video, specifically video, they will sponsor that video in their page. Of course, they are big brands, they will sponsor that page, that video. You will appear in that video, and in that, as a result, they will pay you. Another one, the third one, is through link. You become a brand ambassador of something. An affiliate link. Through affiliate link, when you want to post anything in your Facebook, there is a part. When you want to post, you haven't posted, but there is just a part there. They've written monetization. When you click that, they'll bring you fill a link. So for instance, you have an affiliate with Amazon and you have bought certain products or certain item, and you know very well that people will want to buy that item after they've seen you using it, or it is so impressive. You will go to that website of Amazon, you copy paste the link to that, and that is only if you've partnered with Amazon to be the affiliate partner. You understand? So you will go and click that link of that particular item. You come, then you paste in that video, that content of yours, or even that photos. People will get interested and they will click that link. They'll go to see. Just by clicking that link to go and see the requirement of that item or how it is needed, you'll earn a commission. And if a person gets to buy that item, you will get even more commission. So if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to click the subscription button. It's completely free. I give you value, you also give me a subscribe. Only that. The next video, I'll be talking about how you will acquire more followers within even 2 days in a Facebook professional mode profile. I'm not talking about page, I'm saying profile, a professional profile for Facebook. There is a way that you can gain 5,000 followers within, I'm saying within 2 days, even if you want 1 day. But if it is within 1 day, through that manner, Facebook will do something for you. it will block you for some time, but I can say through 2 days. But you need to be very keen. So if you find this video interesting, don't forget to be a partner, guys. Just click the subscription button. Let's be a family, because I'll be dropping here white and blue content about monetizing your social media